What's up with you, A4O gang? It's your boy A4O Vico, and we back with another one, and keep it moving, keep it going, and we're gonna keep it going with the 32 team series. I know I've been postponing on the MUT because for some reason they banned it. So when I contacted them, they said there was nothing on my actual account that was banned. It was some reason they banned me into the game, but didn't have really actual reason. So we on hold from the MUT for a minute, so we're gonna get back into this 32 team series. And what we starting off with, we'll continuing with, is the Washington football team. We're gonna have it with Ryan Fitzpatrick starting. Antonio Gibson, he's a beast out there. Got some fast ones, Terry McCoy and Seed and Curtis Samuel. You know what I'm saying? We got Brown and Carter, they decent too. So there's a little decent speed out there. So he's gonna have to, I don't know if he want to really press them two boys. A tight end, Logan Thomas and Ricky Seals-Jones. That's who the two gonna be out there. I know on the line, defensive line, we got Chase Young and Montez Sweat. They both hurt, but hey, we gonna play with them in the game. Ain't finna just be garbage just cause. So, when we go to check these cornerbacks, they got decent. It's not too much speed except William Jackson, but Kendall Fuller is a beast. So that's the help. That's gonna help them two with 291 speeds back there. And Collins 87 with Cameron Curl. He's decent. I guess his speed, they could be a little bit faster, but we're gonna do it like that, you know what I'm saying? For our slot wide out, it's gonna be Curtis. And for the slot linebacker, I wanted to put Troy Apke, but on here they got Troy Apke as a cornerback, and you can't put cornerbacks at the linebackers. Safeties you can. We're gonna go West Coast. With Chicago defense. That's how we're gonna run it. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay tuned, man. Hit that subscribe. You can unsubscribe anytime. It's free. Hit that subscribe for your boy. We moving up. It's your boy.
Play action. Now it's Rodgers.
Oh, get over there. That post been a 25 flat.
He goes out of bounds just shy of
into the drive there. They came right out on the first play and attacked the middle of the field for a big gainer and a first down.
Good.
Now this one over the middle into the hands of his tight end, complete. In Washington territory now. Here's 1st and 10 at the 30-yard line.
Get in there. Come on, man. I'm impressed. Why? They ain't even let my guy turn around.
Knocked down before he can get back to the line of scrimmage.
Cameron Curl, we got there.
Pushing upfield to make the stop behind the line.
So that's what you do. Get in. Let's go. Get him. Good defense. That's what I'm talking about.
Down for a loss of 12 that time. Rodgers now, after the sack, he'll lead the pack up on 3rd and long.
Get in! Get in! What are you talking about? Big defense all day.
Now 4th down, so they'll have to boot it away.
I do think, though, they're going to look
I don't care. Aaron Rodgers got gunslinger.
Recovered the fumble, so they retained possession. But the football and getting him on the ground. But I think the play gets made by the defensive front, because if they can't get upfield, their job is to go ahead and get low.
Let's go. That's what I'm saying. Let's go. Let's get it.
and make it difficult.
I'm finna see. I heard mesh don't work in this game.
Here to try for the third down stop. Now Fitzpatrick. And Thomas
Guess it worked for me.
And he's able to get it to the 30.
Ain't gonna keep taking that crazy stuff. I just need keep this drive moving. You see that green over there.
Fitzpatrick gonna give to Gibson.
That mean it's open. Get big yards on it. That mean it's open.
Brought down. Here's Fitzpatrick.
Let him bite on that run a little more.
And he's gonna have a first.
Let's see if I can get this one off.
First down, Fitzpatrick. Rolling to his right.
Get up then. Get up then. Keep it going. Get up then.
As that will take 2nd and 2. 8 yards the gain on that last run. Here's 2nd and a couple. Fitzpatrick to throw it. Flushed out right.
Slide on him. Slide on him.
He does have
real quick like.
Partner, he was going to pull it down and run for it. And he slides down and avoids the hit for good measure.
A first down throw for Fitzpatrick. Gonna throw deep for the
Boom! We just put 6 on him like that though.
Washington.
See, he got him keep him running. He think I'm gonna keep running. Keep him guessing. Think I'm gonna run. Poof, explosion.
This afternoon. And he's a little bit on the shorter side as a receiver offense ready to get their next drive underway. They'll be looking to match that touchdown from a moment ago. 7-0.
We got this lock.
They begin with a first down.
Oh, he stopped. Was it a comeback?
And he's taken down, but able to.
But how about this last play? Made a nice catch and picked up a first down.
That's what impresses me about him. When he's called upon, he usually gets it done.
I need to use a Troy Ackley because his movement ain't.
Well, that certainly has to feel good. It's not all the time that the play caller should get.
Let's see if he can. If I can get in there.
The quarterback just says, "Hey, who's gonna make a play for me? I just need something."
Let's get in there. Screen.
Monty. Sacks a growing theme in this first half.
I gotta use an Ackley because
another try after the first down sack.
I gotta use it. Troy Ackley, come on, give me my. You see that? Come on, man. Come on, man.
They get the sack on first down, but it's a big play. They've got to hold up.
Now on 3rd and long, they'll look to throw. He's going to loft one deep over the middle.
Drop it, good job. Ooh, I thought he had that, boy. Good defense.
They took their shot, but it's going to bring up 4th
What are you gonna do? Good thing. Good job, you lied.
Win that turnover battle, going to be key. They didn't get one there, but you get the feeling they keep making plays like that. They might just get a few.
Yeah, once you get one, defensive teams think they come in bunches.
Give me that.
Oh, and a bad throw there. It's intercepted.
Give me that 93 William Jackson. William Jackson, the third, 93 speed.
We remind you that coming up in 2 minutes' time, we'll hand you off to Orlando, where Jonathan Coachman will have highlights and analysis of this first half of action. Fitzpatrick now. He's going deep for Brown.
Big catch. Big catch on him. Ooh, they saw him bring that safety in. I'm like, why?
The days when quarterbacks would try this, they were holding their breath. But nowadays, they're counting on their receiver to be just a little bit better than the defensive.
Big touchdown on a bomb on him like, whoa, 2 plays. That's how you do it. We just put 6 on him like that, though. Then we gonna make him leave. Come on, man. He's out of there. That's how you do it on it real quick. Watch the football team. What y'all think? Should I? It was a good team. Should I play again with him and get a whole game? Or, well, they dominate with that. So we, you know what I'm saying? I like that. Watch the football team. I played with them a game before off camera. Did the same thing. So that's a good team. I can rock with them. So our next team, we gonna go watch the football. We got Atlanta Falcons. Matt Ryan, Cordell Patterson, you know what I'm saying? Ex-Bear. I wish he still was a Bear, you feel me? Calvin Ridley. Russell Gage. Olamide Zaccheaus, whatever. Tajay Sharp. So tight end, Kyle Pitts. Definitely gonna be one I'm using. And he got the superstar. Mid-end elite and red zone threat. Definitely what I'm gonna be on. Let's check out this defense. You know they suspect. 69, yeah. Grady Jarrett, but the only decent. Deion Jones. About the only decent. Dante Fowler. What they? Okay, they got some speedy cornerbacks. So that's definitely on a plus. We ain't got to worry about. We can press, and we ain't got to worry about getting bombed. Safeties, Eric Harris, Deron Harmon, yeah. That's cool. Wait. That mean I'm gonna have Grant. Number 2, I want to have Calvin slot, but Eric Harris is gonna be my sub line. The 91 speed, I can move with it better. So that's how the Falcons looking. You know what I'm saying? If you feel it's somebody you see I can use on them that'll make anything better, you know what I'm saying? Just comment down below. We got the Atlanta Falcons, West Coast, and Martha D. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna use when I'm playing my 32 team series. But if you wanna play and you don't want customs, I can always go with that Las Vegas playbook. We're gonna get it in. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and holla. It's your boy.
10 now from the 33. Opening carry of the game for Cordell Patterson. And he slips up past
That,
the 45
yeah, you know what I'm saying? He play all of them.
How best to describe that one? I'd say right down Broadway on that run.
A straight ahead running. I think that might be
I ain't gonna be able to
something we
let
see a
y'all
lot
know
between
what,
the
you know what I'm
tackles
saying, what's
Well, he's
going
enjoyed
on
things
from the
so far
get-go.
here this afternoon. Sees a crease and bursts through it for a solid gain.
Now whistles and the Raiders. On 1st and 10, it's Ryan. He's going to launch this thing.
Oh!
In a double coverage, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Trayvon.
Oh!
And the
He
Raiders
had it. He
gain
let that
possession
thing
here as
float,
they force
yo.
the opening drive turnover.
Oh, just went ahead and went for it.
I need my ball back.
Because it certainly appeared the defense was prepared. But I'm with you. Okay, so it didn't work this
Come
time.
on, watch Josh
Doesn't mean
Jake.
we won't try it again later.
And he'll get... Now Mariota. That's caught by Waller out left side.
3rd and 8.
And he'll be out of bounds after getting this 10 inches.
Watch that run.
Trying to run for it with James.
Watch.
And he's
Ugh.
got the first down
Knew
as
he's
up
finna
to the
run.
45-yard line. You think about goal line defense with the goal line offense that time getting it done. Mariota now to throw on 1st down. Escaping the pressure right.
Come on. Lockdown. Box.
He can't get rid of the football, and he's taken down. In 2nd and 12. Another try after the 1st down sack. Mariota. He gets it right to Jackson. And he'll go down, but not before getting this inside the...
They hate to see 4 guys in a route like this because the safeties are often occupied. It creates indecision. They're unsure about who goes with who. And the quarterback.
Oh, good job.
This is intercepted. Picked up by Richie Grant.
Good job. Give me my ball back.
Football here at their own
My mama said I got to get my ball back.
well, a shaky start for both quarterbacks. Here's Ryan to throw. And he'll complete this one to Patterson.
Come on,
Take this
let's
to
go.
The other side of midfield before going out of bounds. We often say get it to him in space, let him use his leg.
Yeah, if he can get a matchup against a linebacker or maybe a defensive end dropping out in a zone blitz, he's going to win that battle just about every time.
On first down, Patterson.
Come on. Let's go. Let's keep it moving.
There as well.
I need all this.
Run it outside, keep the defense off balance.
From the 41, Ryan. Got a man, it's Patterson complete. And this time not quite
Couple
to the
yards,
30,
you know, couple yards at a time.
The 31 now on 1st and 10. Play action, Ryan. He'll buy some time right.
No.
Oh, you saw that one coming. It's intercepted. Throwing back
No.
across his body. Picked by Trayvon Mullen. And the Raiders are
See,
gonna get the football
one thing I don't get on here, like, okay, the delay fade, it don't even work no more.
I thought there was a window, but that window closed quickly.
Like, as soon as you put him on delay fade, he sits there for 1 second. He sit it for 1 second, and then he just, oh, and then he take off. You ain't even got to press the button for the delay.
It's a set beef up front, and it turned into an easy first down conversion. A first down throw for Mariota.
Get it!
And nowhere to fit that football in.
Derek Carr, you want me to have the ball, huh?
Certainly looked like someone was very confident in his ability
Did Derek Carr want me to have the ball, huh?
I would say he was overconfident because there wasn't a whole lot of separation there.
Oh, the Mariota.
Pretty well downfield and knocked it away.
After the incomplete pass, here now is 2nd and 10. Mariota. Flush to his right.
See, that was what I was doing with the undercut.
And he's going to be out of bounds.
And they ain't let me
right
get that. Come on.
midfield. Come up after the incompletion for 2nd down. To throw Mariota.
What was that?
And that's going to be good for another first down.
Decent drop.
And he can break big plays like that. And we've seen him do it throughout his NFL career.
We have. What are you thinking of anything in particular?
Yeah, I'm still remembering a certain
trying to get it to Jackson, and it's intercepted.
Let's go. I saw that. I'm like, I'm a bait on the first one at the bottom, so he can think that second one got that open, wide open.
Out there for their next drive. And 2 interceptions already here in this first half. That's got to affect him a little bit, right? He's got to be thinking about it.
He's got to be thinking about it. Most of the good ones, they find a way to.
You see how I let that go? I knew you was going to stop following. Like, oh, he ain't going to throw that to him.
Can he put it aside? Let's find out. They'll run on first down. It's Patterson, and he'll manage to pick up about.
But easier for this halftime.
Need to give the coach some highlights here.
Yes, we do.
On 3rd down, Ryan. Dancing to his left. And now he'll let this one go deep.
Oh, what the hell? No!
And Ryan is intercepted. Picked off by Trayvon Merrick.
Hey, no, that was. Come on now.
Plays there as a quarterback. You're right.
Wow.
Trying to throw it that far downfield.
I remember started with a running play. I'm actually a little bit
Come on.
surprised though that they got as much out.
Get in that fumble.
Decent little gain puts them in a pretty good spot for 2nd down. And their first half after all. It's 1st and 10. To throw is Mariota. They'll roll him out right.
Oh, good job.
His throw caught right around the 6.
I thought I sent dude in fast enough.
Brian Edwards out set to begin their next drive. The Falcons offense at the line. And with them trailing, there is still enough time to try to string a few plays together, maybe get into field goal range. Throw out right, taken in by Patterson.
Come on.
Half. From the 30 on second down, Ryan.
Let's go. Big catch.
It's Ridley.
Big catch. Let's go.
Gets this to the other side of midfield across
Here, crossing route, working from right to left across the field. And once you get defenders going in the wrong direction, it is awfully hard for them to pivot back, and you end up getting...
No, what you throwing to?
This is intercepted for the 4th time today. Jonathan Abram picks it. 20.
Oh, Matt Ryan is selling.
Into the end zone, and the Raider defense delivers an offense out there for their next drive. And we'll see what they opt to do, which is
got him lit out here.
Remaining until intermission. Back to the air, Ryan after the pick 6. Airing it out, looking for Ridley. It's caught inside the 25. And he'll take this into
What's that?
the end
That's...
zone. Now, hold on here. We do have a flag down.
Oh, yeah.
So let's see what this is about. And yes, they want the points, so they will decline.
I was like, oh, I saw him. I'm like, oh, he left that safety down. I'm like, let me get him some time.
Not at all. When you put the ball in the end zone on a okay, you're responsible for making sure he secures the catch. He's not always the one that makes the recovery, but he can always sound out the alarm. Hey, ball's on the ground. We've got to get it back.
First down, Mariota.
Come on, give him a ball. He threw it right to me. He said you can have it.
You got to play the ball, not the man when in coverage. That'll keep you away from a lot of needless penalties, and he's able to knock that one away.
Throwing again, Mariota on 2nd and 10.
Oh, I'm on that slow shit.
Man open, here is Jones.
My dang, that was me messed up. I ain't put my runner on blitz package. He was still in the zone package, so he moved slow.
To begin their next drive, the Falcons offense at the line. And last time the formula was pretty simple. One play drive, long pass. That maybe they just want to do
Appreciate
that again,
it.
right?
And that's exactly how you want to draw things up. Whether it's on your grease board, right, in your playbook, one play drive is exactly what you want on offense.
Yeah, appreciate that though.
Completion on first down.
Nah, not yet.
Ryan. And they get him
Come
down,
on,
but
let's
not
get
before he takes it across the 40-yard line.
somewhere.
And they pick up a first down.
Yeah.
Throwing now, Ryan on first down. Airing it out, looking for Ridley. He's got a man, complete.
Get in there. Woo-hoo.
Falls short, down
Big
at the
catch.
1
Oh, that was an ugly ass tackle.
It's a big play there for Atlanta. They go play action now. Ryan.
I threw it to the man. Look, oh my God. No, I had RB, but I fucked up and pressed Y. But they both was coming out my backfield. That I had him, man.
Obviously, they'll be hoping to do that again.
And when you start plotting for this drive, when you start thinking to yourself, okay, what are we going
Come
to
on,
do?
y'all. Don't start doing me like this. It's really a good chance for us to come back.
Wrinkles and counters.
Mariota on first down. He'll find his tight end. That's Waller. And he's going to be out of bounds, but not have him on the move on first down. Now Mariota. Complete to Jones. And he will score. Touchdown.
Oh my God.
Mariota now.
Yeah,
That's caught.
I'm gonna let you get this one. You ain't finna do me better with these goddamn Falcons.
The Raiders are pouring it on. And you wonder now if he might be able to remove the helmet.
Yeah, I can't fuck with these Falcons.
Watch the rest of this one
Hell
from the
yeah, so we
sideline.
definitely
His
can link
fifth
up and
touchdown pass of the game.
do that.
Say that again. Did you say fifth touchdown?
Make sure
pass
y'all
of
hit
the
that
game?
like. We gonna end it here because I ain't the Falcons. He ain't finna do me like that. He ain't no bum player either, so don't think that. If y'all think so, y'all can try the boy. You can see him. So we gonna do a best of 3. Make sure you go add Keep It a Benji on Xbox, you know what I'm saying? We're going to do a best of 3 when y'all see that series. So y'all definitely, y'all going to be able to hear them and everything. We're going to join the party. But I'm going to let him get this one because I ain't finna get embarrassed with these damn Falcons. I can't pause it right now and get out. So y'all make sure y'all hit that like. Huh?
Following the touchdown, ready to kick it away.
It's up to you. That's cool. I mean, you know, you can get your get you in or whatever. Make sure y'all go follow him. Keep It a Benji. Make sure y'all follow. Hit that subscribe, like, comment, subscribe on me. Stay tuned for the 3-game series against me and Keep It a Benji. That's gonna be a good one because fam not garbage. So y'all stay tuned. Subscribe to your boy. It's your boy.